Hey there, I'm making this quick video guide for you if you got the pure enrichment, a humidifier, and it's blinking red, it's not working, and how you can actually fix the issue. So, okay, this is something that I read and I just found really interesting. Maybe it's going to help. So the first thing is that this guy right here, that they hit a side of it and it turned it back on, and it's been for 5 minutes. Moral of the story, just hit it back in the functionality. So I know it's going to sound really strange and crazy, but what if you could just slap it a little bit? Maybe it's going to work out. This guy just said that it helped him, and he just like literally just tried everything. So this is the first thing. The second thing, and this guy just reported that some water got into the base because I didn't remove the tank and pour the water before moving it. If you are handy with a screwdriver and are not afraid to repair, take the unit apart and inspect to see if the water has accumulated or any of the circuitry. Dry it off with a paper towel, let it only dry for about an hour. Then reassemble it, and then it should work normally. So this is something that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. And also, after you clean the bottom part of the tank, make sure you put a white floating pedal back properly with the little dot facing up, the little hole down. I know it's like this is a text based that I don't even own the product, as you can see in the video. I just really like to make this quick, effective, guys. That maybe some of it is going to help you straight up and you don't have to research it for like 2 hours. And yeah, so hope it works. Just try to slap it, then try to like unplug it for like 1 hour, and then just try to maybe just some water got into the unit, so you have to like unscrew it and then take it apart and see if you need to like dry it off. So let me know in the comments what actually helped to you, and sorry if this wasn't helpful that much. Goodbye.